Now, we just mentioned Duncan James from Blue being poorly.
Yeah, I don't, if you've been following his Instagram and Twitter of late, you'll know this anyway, and obviously he's a big fan of this show and a friend of it. He's undergone surgery for a slipped disc. That was a couple of months ago. And remember, this is a guy who keeps himself very tidy and works out, so he's been suffering a great deal from back pain for quite some time. Not just from performing on stage, but also he also says, and very amusingly, it was the heels when he was doing Priscilla, Queen of the Desert as well.
Which they are
absolutely, yeah, he's got form. So after his operation, he was at his mum's house a week later, sitting on the couch when a wound on his back opened up. Quite serious, so he was rushed to emergency, and at one point he said he thought he might die, but he has been tweeting and thanking all of his fans to say thank you for their support. Let's take a look at some of those tweets. I believe we've got them. Let's take a look at it, because I haven't got my bins on. OK. Tweet number 1. Thank you for all the well wishes today. It has been a really terrible time, which has left me still numb down his left leg, but he said he's remaining very positive. And of course, he was due to go into Hollyoaks, so he thanks the Hollyoaks cast as well for being so supportive, because they've had to put off, obviously, him going into theirs.